Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rahma Dwiningsih. You can call me Rahma. In this time, I will do a presentation about journal article. The title of journal article is Digital Evidence Identification on Google Drive in Android device using Nest Mobile Forensic Method. Okay, the first part of the journal article is abstract summary. The use of cloud storage media is very popular nowadays, especially with the Google Drive cloud storage media on smartphone. The increasing number of users of Google Drive storage media does not rule out the possibility of being used as medium for storing illegal data, such as a place to storage negative content and so on. On a smartphone with Android operation system that has a Google Drive application installed, digital evidence can be extracted by acquiring and analyzing the system file. This study implements a mobile forensic method based on Guadnell issued by the National Institute of Standards of Technology, or NIST. The results of this study are present in the form of data recovery on deleted Google Drive storage media, which result in the form of either of the data tagged in the form of deleting account names, deleting file tag, and timestamp of deleting file. The next part is introduction. Cold storage is one of remote data storage techniques that are interconnected with personal computer when connected to the internet. The benefits of using cold storage service are interesting, but security and privacy concerns are a major concern in cold service. The use of cold storage media is increasing. It is that not rule out the possibility of abuse of cold storage media as an illegal data storage medium. Illegal data such as video, immoral image, pirated application, fake documents. Illegal data that has been deleted on cold storage can be used as digital evidence of case of violence of the IT law. Digital evidence is a method. Digital forensic and to analyze and reconstruct an event related to a computer or digital artifact. Digital forensic method and process have been developed by forensic investigators and practitioners. This study applied a method for the Analysis Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, which is a forensic method for analyzing digital evidence on a smartphone media, a Gmail account, photo uploaded to Google Plus, and every document created on Google Drive. The next method for mobile forensic test, this stage include. The first method is collection or preservation. This stage is also called the preservation stage. This stage is process of collecting, identifying, labeling, recording, and transcribing evidence in the form of hardware. This data will be taken to be used as digital evidence of a digital crime case. This process is carried out by following data integrity safeguard procedures. Examination. Processing data collected digital forensic using a combination of various scenarios, both automatically and manually, as well as assessing and issuing data according to need while maintaining data integrity. Analysis. The process of analysis is carried out on the result of the examination with methods that have been justified technology and legally to obtain useful information and answer questions that are referenced or drive in conduction, collection, and examination. Reporting. The final result of an analysis process is a report. Reports from an analyst can be the form of written reports needed as a report for documentational or oral report in the form of presentation. The list of method is research tools and materials. There are two types of tools used in this study, namely tools in the form of hardware and software device. The hardware used in this study is in the form of one smartphone device that is used as test material, a computer as a workstand for forensic analysis, and a USB connector as a connecting medium between smartphone and workstand device. And the next part of the journal article is finding and discussion. This research is an effort in analyzing evidence by applying the mobile forensic method on Android smartphone by utilizing forensic tool that will be tested for its performance. On a smartphone also already installed a Google Drive application. To analyze the evidence, a crime scenario is created in which a smartphone user saves a draft photo that will be circulated. The photo is saved on the smartphone Google Drive. From the example of this scenario, it is assumed that the smartphone has been secured by the officer. Then the investigation team follow up the smartphone phone by making a copy of the system from the device so that the authenticity was maintained, and analyze the evidence contained in the Google Drive application. The last is conclusion. The result of the analysis and discussion that have been made and explained in this study, there are a number of things that have been included. The next method in digital forensic process can be applied to cold storage media case study using the Hot Axiom Magnet software. From the data obtained with the Axiom Magnet software, 15 non-files were found in the entry 227 files, with 46 files, 8 image files, 3 video, 2 zip, 4 RAR, 20 PDF, 4 documents, 2 PPTX, 1 application, 2 databases, and 15 files are only folder names that do not have data. From the result of testing with the Magnet Axiom scientific software, the file was found, but the researcher could not open the file. The researcher could only find out the file name and text. And thank you.